Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge a pull request in GitHub. To merge a pull request in GitHub, go to the chosen repository and click the pull request tab. Select the pull request that you want to merge. First off, review the changes and check the status indicators. GitHub will show if automated checks passed or if there are conflicts. If everything looks good, then scroll down to the merge section. Otherwise, you're going to have to resolve the merge conflicts. Now, you'll have different merge options, like merge pull request, squash and merge, or rebase and merge. Choose the option that fits best with your workflow, and then click Confirm Merge to finalize it. After merging, the pull request is now officially merged into your main codebase, adding in any of the additional changes that you made. And that's how to merge a pull request in GitHub.